Adobe Photoshop Student 101, Adobe Photoshop Free Student Version. Adobe Photoshop is a software that allows you to create and edit images, graphics, and designs. Adobe Photoshop for Students is a special offer that gives you access to Photoshop and other Creative Cloud apps at a discounted price. You can get Photoshop for Students as part of the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, which includes over 20 apps, such as Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. The Creative Cloud All Apps plan for students costs US $19.99/MO for the first year, and US $29.99/MO after that. This is a 65% discount from the regular price of US $52.99/MO. To get Adobe Photoshop for Students, you need to be a student over the age of 13, enrolled in an accredited institution or homeschool, and have a valid school email address. You can sign up for Adobe Photoshop for Students on the Adobe website, or through a reseller or a school administrator. You can also try Photoshop for free for 7 days with the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Some of the benefits and features of Adobe Photoshop for Students are, you can create and edit images, graphics, and designs for various projects, such as posters, flyers, logos, icons, illustrations, and more. You can use the generative fill feature to create and modify images with simple text prompts, using artificial intelligence. You can integrate your images with other Creative Cloud apps, such as Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro, and access them from any device with the Creative Cloud app. You can learn new skills and get inspired by thousands of tutorials, courses, and resources on the Adobe website and the Adobe Learn app. Now go to 1. Adobe Photoshop for Students Adobe. https://www.adobe.com/creativecloud/bice